I'm in Bale, Vihiga County, setting pop-up irrigation. Now this is the compound for the client. We dig our trenches 1 by 2 feet. We lay the pipes. We have used 1 HDPE and 32 millimeter PPR. After laying the pipes is when we mark the angles for the pop-ups. We use this machine for drilling holes where we are going to put pop-ups. We use the sundock lamp. Like in this case, we have used 32 by 3/4. We use the X nipple to connect pop-up to the sundock lamp along that line. After pinning our pop-up setup, we have got water tower. We dropped it to the pump. We have got solenoids, gate valves, timer, pressure vessel, pressure switch, and pump. The first program here is date and time. Here is the start time. Then after that one, you come to the watering days. As you can see here, there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, up to Sunday. You come to the run points. Now this timer works together with the solenoids. Now let us go there and test our system. Hii ndio pop-up yetu. So naona venye tumezipanga. Yes. Tumeanza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pop-up working at the same time, meeting its radius. Now it is meeting the radius of 8 to 6 meters in between here. Now water is reaching. This one is about 8 meters. This is the last unit of about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 6 sprinklers.
Kasi iko sawa.
Kasi iko sawa. Water is overlapping. Pump inafanya vizuri. Ina run vizuri at a maximum pressure. Pressure iko sawa. Okay.